Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Boost Original Complete Nutrition vanilla flavored. And this has got 10 grams of protein and 26 different vitamins and minerals. Made by Nestle Health Science. Balanced nutrition. So, shake this well, and in one of these there's 230 calories, 10 grams of protein, 34 grams of carbohydrates, with 14 of this being sugar, 6 grams of fat, and it's got 265 milligrams of sodium, 410 milligrams of potassium, 220 milligrams of chloride, 1.1 milligrams of magnesium, 0.6 milligrams of copper. I won't go into the specifics, but I'll talk about what's in it. They also got selenium, molybdenum, chromium, biotin, choline, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodide, vitamin A, D, E, C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, panthenethine, vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin B12. So it's got a lot of different vitamins in there. It's pretty much like a multivitamin drink at the same time as it is a meal replacement. So the ingredients is water, sugar, milk, protein, vegetable oil, soy protein, salt, vitamins, minerals, and a bunch of other stuff. It contains milk and soy. So 0.5 lactose per 237 milligrams or milliliter serving, not for individuals with galactosemia. Cool, suitable for people ages 9 and over. All right, so I'm gonna get right into this. It's kind of like a little protein shake with carbs, meal replacement. They have protein ones, but this is just the regular old Boost. So here it goes. It tastes pretty good. Vanilla tastes like vanilla. No shocking surprise there. I find that Boosts have kind of a thick consistency to them, so a little bit more than like a normal milk. It's almost akin to like a milkshake, but a healthier milkshake, not just sugar. It's got some vitamins and protein in it too, so that's what makes this a meal replacement. This doesn't have enough calories to fully be a meal replacement. It's 230 calories. It's just a little snack, basically. Protein bar, it's got roughly the same with double the amount of protein, so this isn't gonna be crazy game changer or anything, but let's comment on the taste of this after I take another sip here. Yeah, that's good. I like the thickness of it. It's got a taste that a lot of other, I find, meal replacements have. You can taste like the minerals and everything in it too, which is pretty cool. I would give the flavor vanilla Boost a 8 out of 10. It's pretty good in all honesty. Tastes like vanilla, and it's a little bit better than some other vanilla milkshake, protein shake type drinks that I've had before. This one, it tastes vanilla-y, but it's not too strong in vanilla. Some others make the mistake of making it very vanilla flavored, and then it becomes almost artificial. This doesn't taste that artificial, so it's a win. I like it. Boost Complete Nutrition. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.